And we'll go ahead and start our briefing now. Again, this is for the weather briefing for the first week in May, and taking a look at our weather pattern. There we go. Again, we are a pretty active weather pattern for this time of year. We do have a slow-moving low pressure system out to our west that will move slowly towards the Carolinas for the first half of the week. This cold front interacting with available moisture and instability will cause periods of showers and storms, particularly this afternoon and tonight, and again Tuesday afternoon and Tuesday night. A few of the storms may be severe, the primary severe weather threats being locally damaging winds and some marginally large hail. There's a pretty decent potential for localized flooding as well, considering how high the precipitable waters are. The showers and storms will be very efficient at producing some pretty heavy rainfall. And so if any of these heavier showers and storms move across the same location, particularly urban areas, we'll probably see quite a bit of street flooding and a lot of creeks and streams move out of their banks potentially as well. Then as we get towards the latter half of the week, temperatures will average well below normal for this time of year. We're getting into the late spring, early summer now, and our daytime highs are ranging anywhere from the mid-70s to near 80. We're looking at high temperatures later on in the week, struggling to reach 70 in several spots across the Piedmont by Thursday and Friday. Taking a look at the near term, we are in a slight risk, mainly across the northwest half of the forecast area for later on this afternoon and tonight. And for on Tuesday, it looks like the better chance for severe storms, again, just a marginal chance though, will be pretty much across the eastern two-thirds of the forecast area. Then as we get to Wednesday, more so into Thursday, the chances for severe storms start to dwindle pretty dramatically. For today, the risk of severe storms will be greatest between the hours of 4 p.m. and 11 p.m. The initial risk area may actually start out down towards the southern Piedmont and the Sandhills, but as we get past 6 or 7 o'clock or so, the threat for severe weather may shift more towards the Triad region, where there will be a possibility of some large hail and locally damaging winds. But again, I think with any of the showers and storms we get today and tomorrow, there will be a pretty decent threat for some locally heavy rainfall with this. And in fact, as we look at this is what the radar may look like later today and tonight. Again, just some isolated showers and storms around midday or so. As we get into more at the afternoon heating, expect the showers and storms to become a little bit more numerous, again, mainly to the south of Highway 64 between 2 and 4 o'clock. Then as we get towards the supper hour or the early evening hours, expect a more of a concentrated area of showers and storms across the Piedmont. And then even overnight tonight, after midnight or so, we could see additional shower and thunderstorm activity come into the northwest Piedmont. Rainfall, again, don't take this all too literally, because it looks like there are equal chances of seeing heavy rainfall from the coastal plain into the Piedmont for the next couple of days. But again, though, most of the rainfall will occur during the next 2 days, Monday, today, and Tuesday, with lesser chances for rain as we head towards the end of the week and into the weekend. And take a look ahead for next week. Looks like the pattern that will be evolving suggests that we'll see some temperatures at or above normal across a large part of the southeast U.S., with precipitation chances near or maybe even a little bit slightly below normal for this time of year. So the weather highlights then pretty much, again, a high probability of some active weather for today through Tuesday night, and then will be a potential for a severe storm or two. But again, I think the main concern should be really the locally heavy rainfall potential. Again, the threat for the severe weather will be highest during the late afternoon into the evening hours. And again, we are expecting much cooler daytime temperatures as we get towards the end of the work week. If you see down here at the bottom of this graphic, you see a high on Thursday for Raleigh, only 69 degrees, and maybe 65 on Friday. So we're looking at temperatures well below normal as we get towards the end of the work week. Looks like this cool spell will be short-lived, though, because as we go into the upcoming weekend, currently it looks like we should be high and dry for Saturday and Sunday, with temperatures returning to near normal levels by Saturday. and probably well into the low and mid 80s for highs on Mother's Day afternoon. That is it for the weather briefing for this afternoon. Are there any questions?
Here it is right here. So just go ahead and click on that. Oh, okay, then go ahead and hit. I'm not seeing any.
Okay, not seeing any. Thanks for your time and your patience. Sorry for the delay this morning. If you do have any questions, just give us a holler here at the Weather Service. We're here to serve you. Hope you have a good afternoon and a good week, and we'll talk to you soon.